2005 Outlander Sport, drill slot rotors. I got them on eBay. And then get the 3rd gen brake master cylinder, ABS or non-ABS, whatever your car requires. And that's it, guys. So that's today's video on Ghost Mods. Like and subscribe to the channel. Turn those alerts on. I got videos coming all week. I got like 30 videos right now in the room on a laptop that I gotta upload. So the channel's about to be lit because I'm about to get into the engine bay and I'm gonna try to go detail for detail. And those that are following me and watching the channel, I am so sorry that you see my videos in this part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. Dude, I'm new to this GoPro stuff. I'm new to this YouTube stuff. I'm actually recording one video, and when I transfer it to my laptop, it's like 13, 14 parts, bro. And I'm not an edit guy. I don't know any of this. I'm not a computer guy at all. I am a car guy. You bring me a car and I get it fixed. You put me behind a laptop, I'm lost. So I'm sorry, you guys gotta watch all these parts to get to the end. I'm not doing that purposely. That's just how it's loading up on my laptop. Hopefully one of my mans come over here and show me how to fix it, and we edit and we put everything on 1 or maybe 2 videos, and it's easier for you guys. So next video, we're gonna talk about, bam, the 1G 6-bolt intake manifold conversion on a 7-bolt head, and why I did it, how much it cost, and what I had to go through to get it to work. So peace out, guys. Hit me up, write some comments down, let's talk. You guys stay up, baby.